Gift cards have become increasingly popular in recent years, offering flexibility and convenience for both gift givers and recipients. However, did you know that you can also turn this booming market into a profitable venture? In this post, we'll explore effective strategies and tips on how to make money selling gift cards. Let's dive in. 1. Source gift cards. To get started, you'll need to acquire gift cards at a discounted price. There are several ways to do this. A. Personal collection. Begin by searching your own wallet or home for unused or partially used gift cards. Gather them and determine their value. B. Online marketplaces. Numerous online platforms, such as Gift Card Granny, Raise, and Cardpool, facilitate buying and selling gift cards at discounted rates. Browse these platforms for deals that offer substantial savings. C. Local communities. Check for local Facebook groups, Craigslist, or classified ads where people might be selling unwanted gift cards at a reduced price. 2. Research and identify demand. Identify popular gift cards that have a high demand in the market. Look for brands and retailers that are frequently sought after. Conduct market research to determine which gift cards are most likely to generate profit. Analyze trends, customer preferences, and the popularity of certain brands to make informed decisions about which gift cards to invest in. 3. Pricing strategy. When selling gift cards, it's crucial to set competitive prices that attract buyers while still ensuring a profit. Consider factors such as the card's remaining balance, the popularity of the brand, and the current market value. Compare prices on various platforms to gauge the prevailing rates and adjust your pricing accordingly. 4. Platform selection. Choose the right platform to sell your gift cards. Several options are available, including online marketplaces, such as eBay or dedicated gift card exchange platforms, and social media platforms like Facebook Marketplace. Each platform has its own set of rules and fees, so evaluate your options to find the most suitable platform for your needs. 5. Market and promote. To increase the visibility and salability of your gift cards, employ effective marketing strategies. Leverage social media platforms, local community groups, and online forums to reach potential buyers. Craft compelling descriptions, include attractive visuals, and highlight the discounted price to entice buyers. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews or testimonials to build trust and credibility. 6. Customer service. Providing excellent customer service can lead to repeat business and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Respond promptly to inquiries, address customer concerns, and maintain open communication throughout the transaction process. This level of attentiveness and reliability will help you establish a solid reputation in the market. 7. Embrace bulk sales and partnerships. Consider approaching local businesses or organizations that may be interested in purchasing gift cards in bulk for employee rewards, client incentives, or promotions. Offering discounts on bulk purchases can attract potential partners and lead to a significant volume of sales. 8. Stay updated and adapt. The gift card market is dynamic, with trends and demands constantly evolving. Stay informed about industry news, emerging brands, and changing customer preferences. Adapt your strategy accordingly to capitalize on new opportunities and stay ahead of the competition. With careful sourcing, pricing, marketing, and customer service, selling gift cards can be a lucrative venture. By following these strategies and tips, you can tap into the vast potential of the gift card market and turn it into a profitable business. Remember, success requires persistence, adaptability, and a keen understanding of the market. Happy selling!